Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a baby unicorn from Unstable Unicorns game. So let's get started. To draw this baby unicorn, we're going to first start by drawing an oval eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. So it's going to be a draw so cute oval eye, not a circle. So a little oval like that, and let's come in here with two highlights. So two small ovals and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so now that we have this eye in, we're going to come right next to the eye and we're going to draw the two little nostrils. So come say about right here, where the eye is. Right here, just give yourself two little darkened small ovals. So two little points about right there. And then right under these points, we're going to come down a little bit and we're going to draw a curve. So this is going to be the beginning of the pacifier. I know it looks really weird, but it's all going to come together. So right here, right under these 2 points, we're going to draw a curve and we're going to round it off. And it's kind of like drawing a circle. We're going to leave that part open and add a curve right here. And then in this area where the curve is, we're going to add a loop that comes all the way around. So this is going to be the pacifier's handle all the way back to that side. And then let's just finish the handle. So we're just going to follow our curve and bring it to the back. And then let's draw the two loops on the sides for the pacifier. So about right here, kind of like drawing a bow. And tuck it in. And then in here, just draw a little oval. So we're going to do the same thing on this side, but it's going to be bigger. So right here, just make sure this side is a little bit bigger because this is on the inside right here at the perspective. So right here, just make this one a little bit bigger and in. And once again, we're going to draw oval right here. Okay, so we have the pacifier in and the nose. Now let's come out here. So where you drew this eye, we're going to come really close to this eye and we're going to come say about right here and you're going to start to draw the face. So come right next to the eye and about right here I'll pop out a little bit curve for the cheek and we're going to bring it right back in. So hope I'm not going too fast. If I am, please just pause the video. And so from there, we're going to come to, now we can draw the other eye. So in this area right here. So and it's going to be a slight slant. About right here, I'm going to start. Just draw another oval. And I'm going to make them just so cute oval eyes. So two small ovals inside and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So when you're drawing this, I know this is a little bit tricky because it's not straight on. It's a little slight perspective. So just play around with where you're putting the eyes and the pacifier. So about right there, I'm going to make this eye bigger. It's a nice thing about draw so cute eyes, you can always fix them. It's a little bit better, so it matches this one a little bit better. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to bring this up. So I'll come right here and I'll start my curve for the bottom of my face. So overlapped. And I'm going to bring it up. And so box them right there. Imagine it curving up, so about right here. I'm just going to connect a curve down. There. Okay, so now let's come back up here. And we're going to bring this up. So we're just starting to build the face like a little curve. And before I finish that, I'm going to come to the center about right here. And I'm going to draw a big curve. So this is going to be the horn. And I'm going to pop out the horn. So it's going to be a soft, fat horn because it is a baby unicorn, right? And bring it back down. There. And then let's give it some lines right here. So 2 of them inside for some details. And now we can go ahead and finish off this curve. So I'm just going to come up here and connect. And then imagine this being overlapped coming out about right there. So let's just see how this line's all connecting. So then about right there I'll stop and then I'm going to draw an ear. So pop out ear, round it off and bring it down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and finish this curve and connect. So then I come in here for some details for the ear. We're just going to draw a curve. And then let's pop out the other ear. So right here, in this area, pop out this ear. And inside detail. And I'm going to come over here above the eye and just draw a curve above each eye. And if you want, you can add a little lash if you want. Couldn't resist. Okay, so then from there, we're going to wait to draw the mane. Let's draw the little body first. So we're going to come right where the pacifier is, and I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve that comes out. And I'm going to round it off and say about right in this area. I'm going to draw a curve, round it off, and basically going to connect back to there. So right here, I'm just going to connect this. There. So I got the bib in now. Now from this point, we're going to draw a line down. So this is going to be the back of the body. So before we finish the back, let's work on the front legs. So kind of like where this bib is in this area, we're going to find the center and then the body. So about right here, I'm going to start to draw the legs. So just give yourself, let's see here, angle line. And right here, I'm going to start, this is my center of my legs. So about right there, draw a line down. And about right here, I'm going to add an angle line going this way. So let's bring this down a little bit more. So about right there, I'll stop. And I'm going to bring all these together. And at the bottom, I'm just going to connect it with a curve. So 2 curves. In the hoof area. Now a little curve right here for the body. And so then from there, now that we have that curve in, so about right here, we're just going to imagine it going up. So about right here, I'm going to add a curve, connect it. And now we're going to draw the diaper. So come out right here with a curve. And the little bottom, we're going to bring it out. And let's come back here now. So come in about right here, we're going to add a little curve. Go all the way in. So we're gonna draw a big curve right here for where the legs are. So come up, all the way around. So getting close to that. Bring it in, and let's taper this part. So then from there, we're going to draw the hoof, the back leg. So right here, just add a curve, and we're just going to tuck this part right in. And for details, curve, and make this one an oval. Okay, so the other one. Hope that wasn't too complicated, but made it easy for you to follow. I know this drawing is a little bit tricky. Okay, so then from right here, pop in the other leg. So curve down and pop it out. Curve, and we're just going to tuck it right back in. And right here, just add a curve and another one. There. Okay, so now the tail. So I'm going to come in this right curve area right here and draw a big, nice tail that comes out. So curve and out. Tuck it back in, and another one. There. Okay, so now the pretty part, the mane. Let's come out right here. So above, kind of like where the horn is, and start with the first little curve. And bring that in. Bring out another one. And another one, coming all the way down. So it's just nice and soft. Big curve right here. We're just going to tuck it in. So 2 more. 1 and 2. And of course, last but not least, you have to add a heart, right? So right here, I'm going to add a little heart. So there, hope you guys love this baby unicorn from Unstable Unicorns game. Hope I made it easy for you to follow along and inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.